Can you read the word on the board?
The, the,
Wait. Both of you are right. Let me explain. Yes, THE can make two sounds, the and the. Now let's understand when to use the in the sentence and when to use the in a sentence. Whenever THE is followed by a vowel like ant, the ant, the end. Now this is a very common term you must have seen when you finish watching a particular movie or a video. You hear this, the end. So if the word THE is followed by a vowel, then you make the sound the. But if THE is followed by a consonant like ball, then you say the ball, the dog. So now you know it is the or the. Keep following for more such videos.